Hi, I'm Dale with Edwards Garage, and today I'd like to show you a 2019 Rockwood Ultra Lite we just got in. Very nice trailer. Got the 30-pound propane bottles on the front, power stabilizer jacks, power hitch jack, dual batteries. We've got storage compartment in here, pass-through storage here. Got some stuff under so you can't see, but she goes right through. We can show you from their side. Dual slide unit, so we've got the kitchen slide here. Power awning, and the awning comes right over the slide. So you've got full space of your awning. Outdoor speakers. Controls for the rear stabilizers here. Like I said, they're power. Ladder on the back. Right here is kind of a cool feature I'll show you quick here if I can get the right key. And this is your water line area, so you can get in there and winterize your trailer or work on your pump. Anything is right there. Super easy access. I think that's a really neat feature. Got an outside shower here. Work light, your water hookup, power hookups. Dump valves are right at the very back of the trailer, so they're easy to access. Both your valves right there. Storage underneath here goes underneath the table. And then the pass-through storage on this side here. So you can kind of see in there, we got the power cord and it slips up underneath the bed. And controls for your jacks up front here. So we'll go on inside and have a look at her there now. So here we are. The rear of the trailer is where the kitchen area is. You got a dual sink here. Lots of cupboard space. Big drawers. 3-burner stove. Oven. A little bit low to get down there, but you can get down there and bake your whatever you want. Overhead range, microwave on it, more cupboards, big dual door fridge. So you've got your freezer and your fridge right there. Lots of room, crispers in the bottom. Looks like 4 shelves and another pantry area here. And as you can see, they're quite deep. The washroom is also at the back of the trailer here. So maybe I'll open the door and get some pictures in there. Fantastic fan in the washroom. Big stand-up shower. Full-size toilet. It's got the foot valve on it. Entertainment center over here. TV, stereo, DVD, all runs through that. Furion soundbar on it as well. So it'll make pretty good sound. Dinette here. So this table will lay down and make into a bed. Then we've got the couch at the front, so it can be a couch, or you can quite easily fold this up, and now you have a double bed here. Now, if you really wanted to go places, you can slide this out and have an extra double bed here, and then all you have to do is drop this down, and voila! Instant queen bed at the front of the trailer. And putting it up just as easy. And that's it. That's the Murphy bed. So another neat feature I'd like to bring up on this trailer are the MoRide steps that come with it. These are really sturdy. They adjust at the bottom, so if you're on unlevel ground, your steps can still be nice and straight. They're super tough, as you can see. And when you're done camping, they actually fold right up into the doorway. And you're done, just like that.